In this step-by-step tutorial, I will teach you how to add Google Analytics to your GoDaddy website, thus enabling you to track and analyze site traffic more efficiently. To embark on this journey, you'll first need to have a Google Analytics account ready. If you don't already have one, take some time to create a new account. Remember, it's a foundational step towards integrating your GoDaddy site with Google Analytics. After creating and setting up your Google Analytics account, locate your measurement ID. Depending on which version of Google Analytics you're using, the nomenclature for your ID might differ. For instance, if you're using Google Analytics 4, your measurement ID would typically start with G, while for Universal Analytics, the old tracking ID begins with UA. Locating this ID is crucial, as it's the unique identifier Google uses to track your website traffic. Next, we transition from Google Analytics to your GoDaddy account. You'll also need to sign in here, so navigate to GoDaddy and enter your credentials to access the dashboard. Once you've successfully logged in, peep over to My Products. Here, under the subsection titled Websites plus Marketing, you'll find a list of your sites. Find the site to which you want to add Google Analytics and click on the Manage button next to it. Having done that, a new interface will open. Look for the option labeled Edit Website and click on it. This will lead you to the website builder, where you'll have an array of options to choose from. Be sure not to be swayed by the multitude of choices. Keep your eyes on the prize and head straight to the option named Settings, positioned in the top right corner of your screen. Upon opening Settings, a menu titled Analytics and Tracking will come to your view. It's here you want to be, so go ahead and select Google Analytics from the list. You should see a field with the inscription Paste your tracking ID here or something similar. Copy and paste the measurement ID or tracking ID that you got from your Google Analytics account into this field. With the tracking ID pasted, you're almost done. To actualize the changes you've just made, hit the Publish button. By doing this, you not only save the changes you've made, but also activate Google Analytics tracking for your website. And voila! You've successfully added Google Analytics to your GoDaddy site. However, don't be in a hurry to start crunching numbers immediately. It could take up to 24 hours for data to start flowing in from your website to your Google Analytics dashboard. So give it some time. Once the waiting period is over, you can sign in to your Google Analytics account to start analyzing your website's traffic statistics. Thanks for following along, and happy analyzing!